Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back for another room tour video for you. Currently we are here at the Fairmont Ajman, and we booked for a king room size type of a bed. And yeah, come and join me and I will show you what this room looks like. And here we go. Wow, it's nice. And see, this is a this is a king room size bed with a sea view that side, and my husband is there already capturing some nice photos for his blog, also travel blog. And now we have this king bed, and it's really nice. So they have given us this complimentary from the hotel. So I'll try to open what's inside, and we're going to check what are all this. Okay, there you have your tea, coffee, sugar, some milk. We have, this one is empty, and this is a ice bucket. Now this is the mini fridge, so nothing is there. And then these are all drawers, empty drawers. You can put all your clothes. This one is more drawers. And this bed right here has two big side mirror, and from here I'll show you the view from outside, but it's already nighttime, so you can't see much properly, but that sunset is what I'm going to show you. Look at that. This is the view from our room. We're facing the Arabian Sea. Look at this sunset, it's so beautiful. Hello, babe. Hi. And I can't get over with this sunset. When was the last time I saw a sunset like this? And then we're going back, and I will show you more. This is your working station right here. And now we will be, ooh, I like this bed. This bed has a similarity in our house in Sri Lanka, our master bedroom. It's a similar one. I really like this type of they call it nail head, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the bathroom, guys. I'm now entering the bathroom. This is such a lovely bathroom. So they have here all the toiletries. We have here your body lotion, conditioner, shampoos and stuff. And this is the tub, and that will be in my Instagram. So I can't wait to have a bath and that and relax. This is the shower. And this is where all the jobs done. So nice. It's so lovely. And we have robe here. 2 robes. And yeah, that's pretty much what they have offered. This is a king view room type that we booked. I will link in the down below the website that we used for booking. And every type of room, it has different setting. So yeah, just check the link that I'm going to put down below. And yeah, that's just about it. I hope you give this room tour video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And please comment down below as well, and push that notification bell for more upcoming vlog. Thank you for watching.